To access the root directory of your WordPress site, you won't find it inside the WordPress dashboard itself. It lives on your web server, not inside the admin panel. So in this video, I'll show you where is root directory in WordPress. So to get started, go ahead and open your web server. So there are three types of web server that you can use. First would be cPanel, and second would be FTP, and lastly would be localhost. So if you're using cPanel, log into your hosting account on cPanel and open cPanel and then click on File Manager. Navigate to the folder named public_HTML or www. This is your root directory. So inside you'll see folders like WP content, WP admin, WP includes. Files like wp-config.php, htaccess, and index.php. So you'll basically find that on your root directory. So why access the root directory? There are different reasons why you want to access it. First would be to add wp-config.php for database or security settings. Second is to upload verification files. And third is to troubleshoot plugin or theme issues manually. And lastly is to back up or restore your site. So that is basically where your root directory in WordPress. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more videos like this.